friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today I'm gonna do my Boxycharm unboxing slash try on. I've been subscribed to Boxycharm for a few months now and I haven't done it on my channel before obviously, but I figured I would do it today and I wanted to kind of try on the products because I already know what I have. I always look at the spoilers. I've even already opened this box. I haven't used anything in it though yet, so it's still kind of an unboxing and I'm trying everything for the first time. So we're gonna do that. So first thing I have is by the brand South Main. I have these gel eye packs. They are supposed to reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. And according to this card right here, these are worth $10. So my skin is already cleansed. I don't have any makeup on at all except for my eyebrows, but they're not gonna be touching my eyebrows, so it's fine. Ew, it's all slimy. I don't think I'm a fan of this feeling. So these are gonna sit for 30 minutes? Holy moly. I should have started this a long time ago. So basically Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It's $21 a month. You get 5 full-size items. I've never gotten more or less, but I've only ever been doing this for a couple months. It always comes with a card with information on the products you get inside along with the prices. I guess we can real quick just talk about the products that I got, and then when I get to take these eye jelly things off, we'll get into using the other products. The most exciting thing I got is this pure Boxycharm palette. It looks like this. It's super pretty. You know that blue is screaming to me. This palette is worth $36. We got these brushes by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. These are worth $23.15. I got this Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. This is $20. I'm gonna see what the wand looks like. It's kind of fluffy but kind of straight. We'll see how it works. Last is this blush from Pretty Vulgar. I like this color, nice and pink and cute. This is worth $26. The total for this month's box is $115.15. The box itself is only $21, so I think this is a pretty cool box. I'm gonna let these guys cook and I'll be back in 30 minutes. It doesn't really say how to take them off, so I'm just gonna peel them off. See what happens. These are so gross. I can't tell if my eyes look less puffy. I feel like they do. What do you think? They felt really cooling on. They had almost like a tightening, almost tingly feeling. Not in a painful way, it felt like it was doing something. So I'm gonna go and do all of my face makeup, my primer, foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, and then I'll be back to do my eyes and blush and things like that. With my Morphe E13, I'm gonna dip right into Naked, and I'm just running this through my crease as my transition shade, as I always do. With the Step 2 brush from the Vintage Cosmetics Company set, I'm gonna dip into Duet. And I'm just gonna use this to kind of deepen this. Ooh, that's pigmented. I'm barely tapping. I'm just gonna start deepening this outer corner. I'm taking that E13 again and I'm just blending out these edges. I feel like that's kind of blending into nothing. Weird. I mean, it blends okay. I just feel like it kind of blended into nothing. I'm gonna take that Step 3 brush and dip into MIA. I wanna focus this on the inner portion of my eye. Kind of upper and lower. I really like the sparkle that this shade has. It's cute. I'm getting some fallout. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just gonna leave it for now because I want to kind of see how much fallout will build up from this palette. With the Step 1 brush, I'm gonna dip into Alliance. Oh, this feels really creamy. I'm just using it with the brush and I can tell it's creamy. And I'm gonna merge this in between that blue and that darker shade. I'm gonna take that E13 again and I'm just gonna lightly blend through the crease a little bit. I'm just gonna take up that brush that I used the blue, just a little bit more of it. Just kind of stamp it on. For the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take the leftover that's on that Step 2 brush and just start kind of smoking and smudging up right next to that blue. I don't want too much pigment down here. There isn't really a blinding highlighty kind of shade in this palette, but I'm just gonna try to take Charmer with my Spectrum A12. See how that works as an inner corner highlight. If it's not good, then I'll just use one of my highlighters. Okay, no, that's really cute. That's cute, yeah. Well, that's that. It's not my favorite palette I've ever used in my life, but I mean, it's cute. I still feel like this shade kind of blended into nothing, but I mean, the end result's fine. It just looks soft and simple and smoky. And then of course the pop of blue, because I have to have a pop of color somewhere. But I think it's a cute palette. It's definitely not gonna be my go-to. I can honestly see myself only using it a couple times and then probably not touching it again, to be honest with you. I feel like if you're the average consumer and you just have Boxycharm and you don't have too many palettes in your collection, you probably would like this, but someone like me where I have 500,000 palettes, this one just isn't gonna be my favorite. Let's move on to some mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes because I always curl my lashes. Doesn't really make a difference. My lashes are so straight, they never really hold the curl. But I like to give mascaras a fair shot. I'm not very picky with mascara. As long as it's not the Benefit Roller Lash, I pretty much am guaranteed to like it. Or at least tolerate it. My natural lashes never look that good, so. I am liking this wand though. It's making them nice and fluffy and pretty black. Doesn't make my lower lashes too spidery. That's good enough, that's all I'm gonna say. My blush is the Make Them Blush Prim Vixen Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics blush. I like it, it's super pink. I don't think it's really gonna go with this look, but we're gonna do it anyway. That's nice actually. I don't think it's too much. Kinda just gives enough to make my face look youthful and glowy. I do think you could easily overdo it with this blush. I only dipped in once and it's creating this much pigment, so you have to be very careful if you have this blush. I like to put a little on my nose, you guys already know. I guess I'm just going to throw on some lashes because I just have to take pictures, and a lip, and then I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. So this is the end result from using my Boxycharm products and other things, obviously. And I like how this full look came out. I feel like I look cute, but I almost think it's from the things that I already have, like this highlight that I just reviewed a couple videos ago. Check it out. This lip that I love. I feel like the lashes make the eye look super pretty. I do like this blue shade though. I think this blue is pretty. And the blush is nice too. I think my favorite things from the box were the blush and these brushes, which I guess with just these two things alone, that still totals to like $49. So it's still more than double what I paid for the box. I don't love the palette. I don't hate the palette. I don't think I'm really gonna be reaching for this palette. We'll see. I'll play with it a few more times, use some of the other shades. These cranberry shades are really cute, even though I don't usually reach for purpley shades. These were okay. On the back, it does say to use for 3 consecutive days, so I will be using the other 2 because it came with 3 total. I'll use each of the other 2 tomorrow and then the next day and see how it is. I can update you in the description box on how I feel about these. As of right now, I'm kind of indifferent. I don't feel like my under eyes look any different than they normally do. The mascara is okay. I like how it applied the mascara to my lashes. It didn't make them too clumpy or spidery. The only thing I just have to see, and I'll know that by the end of tonight, is if it transfers onto my skin, especially from all the steam and heat from being in the salon. So I can update you as well on that. I didn't hate this month, but I didn't love it as much as I thought I was going to. When I got this box and saw all the spoilers, I was like, heck yes, this is gonna be the best box I've received so far. And it still might be the best box I've received so far, but I don't know if I'm all gung-ho about it either. For those of you who got the box as well, let me know what you thought of the box this month. Did you have any issues with the palette? Not that I had issues with the palette, it just wasn't as exciting as I thought it was gonna be, you know? If you liked me doing kind of this try-on style of the Boxycharm, then give me a thumbs up so I know to do it again. This was my first time even doing Boxycharm on my channel, so let me know if you care about it. If you don't care, then I just won't do it. It's not a big deal. I'm gonna get the box regardless, so just let me know what you think. Please hop over to my Instagram, it's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every 3 days, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. Where did I put my mirror? How did I lose my mirror? All the way up until motorcycle. Stop driving by my apartment! You're too loud. I'm gonna take that E13 again. Is that what it's called? Is that what it's called?